Assalamu alaikum everybody. I hope you are doing all brother and sister. Today share to-do apps using Next.js and server section part MongoDB and Prisma. I hope you understand this Prisma and MongoDB and Next.js. So brother and sister, let's go see my screen. First of all, I will show this part. My name Shakil Munshi. Click and hit add buttons. Added Shakil Munshi. Your face. I hope you see this right. And you check this database MongoDB. I already connection MongoDB my project. This name edit Shakil Munshi. This brother and sister, I will share this to-do app part by part. I hope you understand this word. Secondly, I will edit this name Shakil Munshi, Shakil daily life. Click and hit the save button. Edit this text. Okay, Shakil daily life. I will be remove this part. Click and hit the remove button. Click this part. Right, I will see this and you enjoy this video, right? Okay, I will share this code part by part. First of all, I will create Next.js project. I hope do you have already created a Next.js project, right? First of all, I will create this project and create .env project and connection the MongoDB already connection. This is a todo apps. I hope you see this right. Okay brother, and .env this username and password. This, if you see this right. And secondly, I will create components, buttons, forms, info tags, and todo, add todo, change todo, delete, edit todo apps part by part. Secondly, types index.tx backend side, right? Backend side, and info tags, info types, input fields, this name, types, and placeholder below. I hope you already learned this part, right? And secondly, I will share this part by part. I shared this code my GitHub and shared this link my video description and comment box. Okay brother and sister, I hope if you understand this video. See you next time. If you need any website or any coding part problem solving, let me know. I will get back to you as soon as possible. And my loading software company big project create. If you need a big project and company management, e-commerce and other website, please let me know. I will get back to you as soon as possible, and I will inform my company management. I can help you. Okay brother and sister, see you next time.